Welcome back to our channel Vedante Succeed. So in before section I have asked one general question, right? So to see the before section, so you can click this icon. From that you can see this a before section video. Okay. In before section I have asked this 9 plus 5 equals to 2. So to prove this 9 plus 5 equals to 2. So 9 plus 5 means 14. Okay. In railway clock time system, 14 is nothing but 2 o'clock. Okay. That equals to 2. Okay. Now we will go to our topic. So in before section we have discussed the second Roman, that means 3D of the second Roman 1, 2, 3. To see those problems you can click this icon button. From this icon button, from that you can see the before section video. The problem is they have given two matrices, that means first matrix A, B, C, A square, B square, C square, 1 plus A cube plus, that means 1 plus B cube, 1 plus C cube, that equals to 0. So we have to show that ABC equals to minus 1. Okay. Okay, this is the question they have given. First, we'll write the first matrix. That means A square, 1 plus A cube, B square, 1 plus B cube, C square, 1 plus C cube. So first they have given one matrix and they said that ABC, A square, B square, C square, 1, 1, 1 is not equals to 0. So they have given a one condition and they asked to show that AB is equals to minus 1 from this. Okay. First, I have said already a property for this. That means K plus A cube means you can convert like this. So there is a property whenever you see like this. That means 1, 1, 1. First write the first term and close with the matrix bracket. So plus there is a property. Already we have discussed in before section. You can see in the link. So you can see in the description box the link of the before section to check this properties. I have given equals to 0, right? So equals to 0. Next, do like this. A square 1, B square 1, C square 1 plus, see here in first row, that means in first row means A square A cube, second row is B square B cube, third row is C square C cube. For the first row I am taking common as A. For the second row I am taking common as B. For the third row I am taking common as C. Now for the first row what I have taken the common? A. So A is there. What will be the here term? 1. A into 1 will become as A. To get A square what I have to multiply to get A square? A. A into A square, that is A into A is A square. Next A square. Now same like this, B as a common for the second row. 1 B square. For the third row 1 C square. Okay. Now to reduce this I have taken common. Don't get confused. Now see here in the question they have said that the condition A square 1 B square 1 C square 1 is not equals to 0. So keep this term same. Now convert this as C1 tends to, that means C2. Okay. A square 1. So this conditions for only for this. Okay. Keep this remain same. Plus A, B, C. See here, by converting any one of the term into we get minus symbol. Okay. Here minus. Now C2, right? C2 will be here in the C1 place and C1 will be in the C2 place. This is the C2. A, B, C, 1, 1, 1, A square, B square. So C3 will be remain same only. Okay. Now to get like this means A, B, C is okay. Now to get A square, B square, C square, 1, 1, 1 means what we have to change? So we have to change as C2 tends to C3. Okay, next step is C2 tends to C3. So next step is C2 tends to C3. So A square, this is A square, 1, B square 1, C square 1 plus ABC. Here minus will be there. Why? Because we have converted C1 as C2 means there will be a minus. Now again we'll get minus. Why? Because again we are doing here C2 tends to C3. ABC, A square, B square, C square, 1, 1, 1 is equals to 0. Here minus into minus will become as plus. So ABC, A square, B square, C square, 1, 1, 1 plus ABC. Okay, now you can understand. So while converting a single row or single column with the another column, you will get as minus in front of it. If you do 2 times means it will become as minus into minus will become as plus. Okay, A, B, C, A square, B square, C square, 1, 1, 1 is equals to 0. Okay, now take common as this. So here common is right. A square, B square, C square, 1, 1, 1. Common means here 1 plus ABC equals to 0. In question they have said that a condition here. This A, B, C, A square, B square, C square, 1, 1, 1 is not equals to 0. So here these two terms is equals to 0. So in condition, so in given question, this is not equals to 0, right? This matrix is not equals to 0. Then this way has to be 1 plus the remaining term is this. So ABC equals to minus 1. That only we have proved. Okay, we have proved that ABC equals to minus 1. That's it. If you have not subscribed yet, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.